Data integrity. So what do we mean by data integrity? The word integrity probably suggests to you qualities such as honesty, reliability, and also completeness. When referring to data, data integrity means the accuracy, consistency, reliability, and completeness of data throughout its life cycle. So to maintain the integrity of data in a GxP record, the data needs to have these characteristics from the time it is created to the time it is archived or eventually disposed of. GxP data is generated from many different activities, including experiments, studies, tests, and production processes. If you are involved in these types of activities, you have a role to play in ensuring data integrity by accurately documenting processes, results, and observations without manipulation or errors. This is essential to prevent data corruption, unauthorized changes, or omissions. Maintaining data integrity is not only a regulatory requirement, but is also vital for ensuring the quality, safety, and efficacy of products. Some examples will help to illustrate this. GDocP and your signature. In the examples of bad documentation practices, there were issues with signatures. When working with GxP records, there are various activities you might perform. These include completing, verifying, reviewing, and approving records. In all these activities, there will be a requirement for you to sign a record, either with your initials and the date, or your full signature and the date. It's useful at this point to understand the significance of this act in terms of data integrity. When you sign a GxP record or part of a GxP record, you make a formal commitment to the integrity of the data captured in that record. In other words, you are indicating that you are the individual responsible for the record and affirming that it meets the applicable ALCOA Plus principles. Signing a record also creates a link between you and the record. This is important for traceability reasons, as it shows who performed a specific task. That is, there is transparency and accountability. A signature also acts as a deterrent to data manipulation or unauthorized changes, as it associates a specific individual with the data recorded.